I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. So today we're going to do something called blow painting for our activity. And here's my sample. I did a unicorn and then did the blow painting for the mane of the unicorn.
Wow, I love it.
Thank you. What did you do, Gail?
I did a peacock, and so I did the blowing for the feathers.
I like it.
Thank
It
you.
was really fun too.
Really fun. I love this one.
So before we begin, we're going to do another one of our special breathing techniques. So since we're going to be doing some blowing to make our picture, we're going to pretend we're blowing out candles. So we're going to take a deep breath in and then pretend blow out to blow the candle. So let's do that 2 more times. A deep breath in. And 1 more. And blow out the candles.
Good.
All right.
All right, I'm ready to go.
All right. So what supplies do we need?
Okay, so today the supplies that we are going to need are paint, paper, markers, scissors, and a straw.
All right. I'm ready to go.
Okay.
All right. So what's the first step that we need to do?
Well, I'm going to do one. I don't know yet what I'm going to do. I'm going to start blowing it and then I'll see what it looks like. How about you?
So I decided I'm going to do a face, and I started a little bit of it, and I'm just going to make it like crazy hair.
Nice.
All
Okay,
right.
so the first step is you can either use watercolor or I used acrylic paint, which I really watered down so it's very thin. Okay, and then you're going to take your straw. This is how I did mine. I took my straw and I put just a little dot of paint on there, and then I just blew it. So it starts to separate like that.
Oh, fun. All right. I also watered down acrylic paint, and I have mine in a little palette, and I'm going to try the same thing and do different colors.
Great. So I'm going to do a few, and then maybe you could tell me what you think it looks like. I could turn it into that.
Yeah, it's much better when you have it watered down pretty much.
Yeah. And you can kind of make it go different directions. I'm going to do one more, Peggy, and then you can tell me.
Okay.
Okay.
Can't wait to see it.
Here's what I have so far. Any ideas what, I'll put more paint on, but any ideas what you think it could be?
Not yet. Can you do a little bit more?
Okay. Okay.
All right, now let me see.
Okay.
Okay, I have an idea, Gail.
Well, what is it? I have paper I can cut to add to it.
You know what? I think it could be like the tentacles of a jellyfish.
Oh yeah, that would be great. All right, so I'm gonna try and cut a head of a jellyfish.
Okay.
All right. How's yours coming, Peggy?
Good. I'm going to add just a tiny bit more water. I'm going to show you though.
Okay. Whoa, that's crazy. I love it.
It's like the person is screaming and their hair is all crazy.
Like in the wind or something. I have some glue here, so I'm gonna. Oh yeah, Peggy, that was a good idea.
Yeah, I can't wait to see.
I'm just gonna put some eyes on it, and then later I'm gonna add. I'll give it a smile. Later I'm gonna add more, but look at that.
That's perfect. I love it.
Swimming that way.
Nice.
Thank you.
And there's mine still coming along.
I love it.
I'm going to add some more to it.
Great.
Sometimes this is how I feel in the morning.
I love it. Sometimes I feel like this in the morning. I just wanna, like float around. So that was really fun.
It was fun. So we hope that you also try this out and you can make your picture into whatever you want or plan a picture and do the blow painting around it. So enjoy.
And if you want to see some of our other craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Have fun. Bye.
Bye.